Hi, this is Charles Oliver. Welcome to this week's Missed Show Minutes. I want to talk to you about, as we continue this theme about maximizing Social Security retirement income. We've had a lot of people take our quiz. We've had a lot of people, unfortunately, the average score being 8 out of 10. And a lot of people have had questions about the interesting facts, as well as the 44 Social Security Secrets free ebook that you can download. All of this information is available at socialsecuritysolved.com. That's socialsecuritysolved.com. And here's what you missed on Hidden Wealth Radio. And as a reminder, all of our shows are archived at hiddenwealthradio.com. But here's what you missed. The key insights that we had now that we've started this series on the retirement protection income pillars, starting with Social Security. And the goal is to solve Social Security to get the maximum benefit possible, which is why I wrote a book on the subject last year. We're in the process of revision, or updating, I should say, to version 2. But the name of the book is What to Do at 62. And here were the key insights that people took away, not only from my book, but mainly from socialsecuritysolved.com when they requested their free analysis, which again, it's a no-cost or obligation analysis. But what it does is it reveals the best filing strategy, get the maximum benefits. And just as my book found, the average couple is leaving in excess of $200,000 to almost $350,000 on average of Social Security income benefits that they are just missing out on by not becoming aware of what they're not aware of. And this site, socialsecuritysolved.com, has really opened people's eyes. Now, the other thing that was interesting, the key insights this last week, was so few people were aware that their Social Security was being taxed or could be taxed up to 85%. That's a tax, folks, that you don't have to pay. The other key insight was not understanding there's only 2 income sources that you can generate while you're in retirement once you've hit full retirement age, provided you don't have any other income that would impact it, let's say from wages once you hit full retirement age, because there's penalties. That was an insight to them too, the having to give up 2 to 1 or 3 to 1, even in the year that you turn your full retirement age, which for many boomers would be full retirement age of 66 and so many months. But 2 income sources that escape: Roth IRAs and special design insurance contracts. These are all part of solving for what probably the biggest insight was, or uncertain insight was, that 38% of a retiree's income today on average comes from Social Security. So by being able to get more from that, it now requires less of someone's savings to make up for the other 62%. So what to do with the other 62, not realizing that you could design that in a way that doesn't not only not tax your Social Security, but there's not a federal tax or a state tax, depending if you're in one of the 41 states that also have state income tax. So avoiding tax, not evading, and doing it without taxing your Social Security. And you can learn how to do that at socialsecuritysolved.com. That's socialsecuritysolved.com. And request, if you're interested, your free analysis. You can do that at one of 2 places. You can do it right there on the site, and this is for those that are really ready, because if you're ready, I want to gift you a signed copy of my book, an electronic copy of my book, What to Do at 62. We're in the revision stage of coming out with version 2, but I'd love for you to read version 1. Or you can call, if that's easier, you can call 855-NO-TAX, the number 2 and the letter U. That's 855-NO-TAX, the number 2 and the letter U. And let us know the best time, the best day, and the best number to reach you on either Tuesday or Wednesday. And we can serve you on a first come, first served basis. We have a lot of people requesting analysis and a lot of people trying to find how to maximize their Social Security and then reverse engineering into determining what's the income gap remaining that they can solve tax-free. And you'll learn more about that by going to socialsecuritysolved.com and requesting your analysis, or calling 855-NO-TAX, the number 2 and the letter U. Here's to your hidden wealth.